My dear friends, welcome to Rajashekar classes on applied data science with Python. This is lecture number 21. In this lecture, we will try to understand modules. Modules are reusable libraries. Basically, module is a Python file. Therefore, module name has got extension .py. Modules are available from the standard library. Even we can create our own modules. I will discuss this concept in my future classes. We can import a module by using a keyword known as import. Import is a keyword which is helpful for importing a module. For example, import math. Math is a built-in module. Import math, print math.sqrt of 10, square root of 10. Math is module name, sqrt is function name. Therefore, it will give some output something like 3.16, something like that. We can import modules. Not only importing modules, you can rename those modules. How can I rename the module? Just see, import math as mathematics. What does it mean? This imported module is renamed as mathematics. Mathematics.sqrt of 10 means it will display square root of 10. Here in this case, we are renaming the imported module math as mathematics. If you can import a single function. For example, you can import a single function, making it available without the module name namespace. What does it mean? If I say import math, means all functions will be imported in that particular module. If you want to import single function or required function from that corresponding module, just say from math is a module name, import sqrt. What does it mean? In this case, I am importing sqrt function from math module. Only sqrt function will be imported. Now I can make use that function. Just if I say print sqrt of 10, it will display the value. Even I can rename a function. For example, how will it be? From math is built-in module, import cos is function. This function I am renaming cos as cosine. Therefore, print cosine of 10. Print cosine of 10 means it will display the cos value. From here onwards, as I renamed cos as cosine, from here onwards, instead of cos, I can write cosine. Even you can import multiple modules at a time. Import os, sys, rg means at a time we are importing 3 modules. You can import as a late as in function definition. What does it mean? It is simple and straightforward. Just observe this definition, df sqrt 10. This is definition of this particular function. Inside function also I can import the module. Here I am importing the module inside the function. If I call that function, just see, such import only takes place when the function is called. If I call this function, this will get executed and this particular module will be imported. I can make use that module, print math.sqrt of 10 means that particular function will get executed. Just see here, from math import star means I am importing all the functions, print sqrt of 10, it will display. We don't have any issue in this particular statement, but here I am defining df sqrt of 10. What does it mean? Inside this function definition, this is the definition of the function. Inside definition, if you try to make use from math import star, it will generate an error. That particular error is syntax error. Which type of syntax error means? It is module level syntax error. dir is a built-in function which is used to find names of particular predefined module. For example, import space math, dir math means it will give all the names associated with this particular math module. That's why math.py, math.pow, math.radians, math.sin, math.sinh, math.sqrt, something like this. These are the different names associated with this math module. Now we will try to understand these things in our Jupyter notebook. It is simple and straightforward. Just see, import math. This I already discussed. Math.sqrt of 10 means you will get this one. In similar manner, even you can rename what you can rename. Import space math as mathematics means I'm renaming math module as mathematics. From here onwards, you can write math as mathematics. You will get the required output. Even you can import single function instead of importing all functions. From math, import sqrt of sqrt means that only sqrt function will be imported instead of importing all the functions and classes in that particular module, isn't it? Now, from math, import cos as cosine means here we are importing cos. In earlier case we were renaming module. Now even you can rename function cos as cosine. Just print that one so that you can understand. Define sqrt10, import math. This is definition of the sqrt10. Inside function definition also I can write import math statement. From math, import star means what? From math is a module. Import star means I am importing all functions sqrt of 10. But this function import from math import star I cannot write inside function definition. If you try to write, you will get an error. That particular error, syntax error, import star or import asterisk only allowed at module level. You cannot write inside function definition. Import space math, dir math means it will display all the names associated with that particular module, math module. We have seen math.py, math.pow like this. Just go through this lecture. Certainly you can understand this lecture. If you have any difficulty, just keep a comment so that we will try to discuss. Thank you very much.